Searching for the best photo editing software for Mac gets messy fast. You want something that looks great, runs fast, and doesn't demand a new subscription for every feature. Start with your built-in baseline on macOS Tahoe. Photos is great for quick edits like light, color, and auto enhance, and Preview covers crop, rotate, markup, and fast format changes. If that's all you need, you're done. When you hit real-world problems, use specialized tools that do one job extremely well. Touch Retouch is the fastest way to remove unwanted people, pimples, and even power lines without layers or masks. You tap, paint, and the distraction is gone. If your photos look fine but not finished, Luminar Neo gives you AI upgrades that feel like cheating. Sky replacement, relight, and one-click presets can take a flat shot to portfolio ready in minutes. It's ideal when you want results without the Photoshop learning curve. If you edit both photos and video, or you crave a film-style look, Camera Bag Pro is the shortcut. You get 200 plus pro filters, quick tiles instead of complex layers, and fast batch adjustments. It's also a strong pick for MacBook Air users who want speed. If your biggest pain is volume, PhotoBulk saves hours. Drop in a folder, apply resizing, watermarking, renaming, and format conversions, then export everything in one run. That's the difference between editing 50 images and actually finishing the project. If you're digitizing family memories, Photos Revive restores and colorizes old black and white photos in one click. You can then fine-tune colors and contrast so skin tones and backgrounds look natural. If you want more Mac editing guides that save you time and money, subscribe so your next search is faster and your results look better. See you in the next video.